Welcome to the fascinating world of Peregrine Falcon, the fastest animal on earth and a true master of the skies. These remarkable birds are not only known for their incredible speed, but also for their unique nesting habit and unparalleled flight skills. Let's dive into what makes the Peregrine Falcon a marvel of nature. The peregrine falcon is renowned for its exceptional speed, particularly during its hunting dive down as a stoop. In level flight, peregrine falcons average speeds between 40 to 60 miles per hour and can reach up to 69 miles per hour when chasing prey. However, during a stoop, they can exceed 200 miles per hour. The highest recorded speed is 242 miles per hour, achieved by a falcon named Frightful in 2005. Peregrine falcons inhabits diverse environment, including mountain ranges, river valleys, coastal lines, and urban areas. They are found on all continents except Antarctica. In regions with mild winters, they often remain in their territories year around, while those breeding in Arctic climate migrate long distance during the winter. Peregrine falcons prefer to nest in high places, often on natural cliffs or tall man-made structures like skyscrapers and bridges. Instead of building traditional nests, they create a simple scrape, a shallow depression in gravel or sand, where they lay their eggs. These high vantage points provide safety from predators and an excellent view of potential prey. Typically, the female lays 3 to 4 eggs, and both parents work together to raise their young. The sight of fluffy white chicks, called ISS, growing quickly into powerful hunters is a testament to the falcon's resilience and adaptability. But what truly sets the peregrine falcon apart is its flight. With long pointed wings and a streamlined body, they are built for speed and agility. Their powerful wing beats and graceful glides make them highly efficient flyers. And when it comes to hunting, they employ their most impressive skill, the stoop. This breathtaking dive begins with the falcon soaring high into the sky. Then, in a split second, it tucks its wings tightly against its body and plummets towards its prey at a speed exceeding 200 miles per hour. Their sharp wings reduce drag, their streamlined bodies maximize accelerations, and their tail acts like a rudder, allowing them to steer with precision. This combination of speed, power, and maneuverability makes them lethal hunters capable of capturing prey midair. Whether nesting on towering cliffs or zipping through the sky with unmatched velocity, the peregrine falcon is a true icon of the natural world. It's a reminder of how incredible and baffled wildlife can be. So, next time you look up and see a bird soaring high, it might just be the mighty peregrine falcon rolling the skies with grace and speed. If you like this video, please comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing stories of bird life. Thanks for watching.